Hi everyone, this is Judy Machado Duke from LifePurposePlaybook.com. Valentine's Day is just around the corner and I have a gift for you. So whether you're in a relationship or not, I have something really special for you. So let's talk first to those of you who are in a relationship. So this is called To My Valentine. As you can see, it's a custom designed coloring page with a mandala. You can see I've already started to color mine. I've even written Judy and Rick in the middle, so cute. And the idea is for you to have one and your partner to have one. And you're both gonna color for each other and you're gonna answer these 5 questions. Sort of a special message to your Valentine. So the first question is, my favorite memory of you is. The second question, my favorite thing that you do for me is. I'm not going to read off all the questions because I want there to be a bit of an element of surprise for you. But the whole idea with this card is for you to not have to buy a Valentine's card for each other. Instead, you're going to make one. You're going to color this beautiful page. You're going to answer these questions. You're going to leave a message for your Valentine. It's going to be personal and special and beautiful. So much better, isn't it? And for those of you who aren't in a relationship this Valentine's Day, I have something extra special for you. This is called My Personal Love Story, and this is a custom design coloring page just for you. And not only are you going to enjoy coloring this mandala and answering these unique 5 questions around self-empowerment and self-love, but you're also going to enjoy the meditation that comes from coloring. And even more exciting is that I have arranged for a live webinar on February the 14th at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time so that we can all together go through this coloring page. We can color it together, we can answer the questions together. So get yourself your favorite wine, champagne, tea, your favorite tea, and let's get together and create magic together on this page. So there you have it, 2 special gifts that won't cost you a penny. So to get a copy of this one right away, To My Valentine, make sure you leave your email address at my website, which is lifepurposeplaybook.com. And to get a copy of this one, My Personal Love Story, make sure that you register for the webinar below on the link below, and you will be emailed that on Valentine's morning just in time for the webinar. If you're on social media watching this, go ahead and share this video or tag a friend who you think might enjoy one of these Valentine's Day gifts, or even leave a comment. And if you're on YouTube watching this, please subscribe to my channel. I would love that. Now let's go and have a fantastic week ahead.